Hey there, it's Greg T with the Image Top, doing a quick overview on how to add some of the social media icons and links in some of the standard basic areas for our website builder that we used called Divi here. So I'm doing this on the Words Without Borders website. That's www, or it's actually www.borders.ca. My apologies, as in words without. And yeah, so I'm just kind of going to go through some of the things here. Just as a quick note on this to the WW Borders owners, as well as anybody who might be watching this video for the tutorial. Want to take a note here about some of the updates here. There isn't, as you can see, there's updates. It says 3. It's actually a couple of them, believe it or not, but in the oh, sorry, I guess the Divi Builder is one too. I'm going to actually start that while I'm talking. But you notice the two up top there, the Ninja Forms file uploads and Ninja Forms MailChimp. Both of these are need to be updated. However, they do require licensing, so there is a paid license that needs to be done with those. And I did take a look in the settings for the Ninja Forms, and the licensing is not in there. So that does need to be done in this case. So if this is your website, just a note to yourself to get that done. And I guess I said it is a paid licensing. However, something to to be aware of. Having had Ninja Forms added to the site here, that's fine. It does work, but the builder that we have comes with its own form modules. And as far as that goes, we have probably since building the site subscribed to and got licensing for even further advancement on those modules, including adding files that can be uploaded by the person submitting the form, as well as things such as storing in the database, so you can access it on your website too, just in case as a backup plan. So just something to be aware of, that adding more plugins that are already kind of available within the builder can add more resource load to your site and slow things down, so on and so forth. And there is the potential of having script conflicts too. Not to say that is the case in this case, but it's just something to be aware of. All right, so let's go with where the social media stuff is. I'm going to scroll right down to the builder. Now we've got this labeled as the IS builder thing here. I'm going to go to 2 areas to show you this. One is the theme options, and that is the regular Divi builder, or in this case, it's been labeled the IS builder. And we're kind of scroll down here, and right off, here you go. Here is the link for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Now, I'm not going to do this in this case, but right there above that, it says show the icon for Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The reason those are there, I'm going to open the site in another a page here, is there's different ways with the builder to add the social media. There's the built-in, back-end stuff, and right there at the bottom footer, you can see, and actually I should pull this up just a little bit. There you go. You can see that it's got a Yelp and a LinkedIn one. Now you kind of think, okay, what about the other ones? Well, back to that's because they have been disabled. They've been turned off. So all you'd have to do is click that and enable it, and then go down to the bottom here and save your changes. That's it. So for the ones that you want done, that's how you do that. So that's the first thing here. Now you notice, but that doesn't have the Yelp one here. And reason being is, at the time of this build, because this build was a while ago, the builder didn't have all of the social media icons available. Now, when you customize this to a certain extent, you've got virtually any social media network available to you. Plus, we do have, as I said, some extra plugins to add, or that we've added to expand the reach and the ability of the modules that are available with the builder. So the builder can do so much more than even out of the box, which is great. So here I'm going to go down back to this builder area. You notice right here at the very bottom it says the IS booster. That's a Divi booster as well. It adds more features. Now this is one we did add originally with this website, so it's been there all along. And if you go to the site-wide settings, I'm going to close some of these. Go to site-wide settings and icons. That's where you've got the custom icons being added. So to get rid, and this is the Yelp one in there. All that needs to happen is that X needs to be clicked, and that will delete it. And that's it. That's really, really, really it. That'll get rid of that, and then you go down and you click save as before, and it's all set. Now I'm going to go just do a quick recap on this. You notice this one here on the built-in has Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. On the booster, on the icons, it has, well, Instagram's been added here again, which I'm not sure, probably shouldn't do that twice, but it's got the LinkedIn one. That's why the LinkedIn one is showing here. Now, the fact that I'm not seeing Instagram here kind of makes me wonder if there is some conflicts happening there. But, that's the way to do that, is to check that out, set it all in there, and bang. And it should work well. So that is it. What I'm going to do actually on this one is kind of leave this alone. I'm going to let the owners of the website take this. So, it's better to actually do some of the work to understand how it goes. And if you've got any questions, just reach out, Greg at theimagestop.com, and enjoy. Take care.